Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. Now, for an intro form to my channel, I'm going to be doing a Godzilla theory for today. Please, I'd like to put out there just right now that anything I say in this video or any images I show, there is no copyright intended. So, let's jump right in. Today I'm going to be talking about a special ability that you might have not noticed in the Godzilla series. And first I'd like to point out, thanks to Wikizilla, how I found out about this. Now, it takes place in It takes place in Godzilla vs. Mothra Battle for Earth, where we see in a cave painting that Batra is in his imago form during his battle with Mothra. But later, when we see him coming out of the iceberg in Antarctica, we see that he's in his larval form once more. Now, you could argue that, you could say that, but Batra was created by the Earth to destroy that weather machine, and he later went out of control. So that could be a different one, which I'd like to point out right now that that could not be true. Or else Batra would have appeared later on as another one in future movies during the Heisei series. Now, before I continue, I'd like to point out that this ability could have been noticed in another movie, Godzilla, Mothra, and King Ghidorah, Giant Monsters All-Out Attack, which I'm going to be referring to GMK, because I am not saying that long name the whole time. Now, in the movie, when Mothra arises, she is in her larval form, but we also see later a picture of her in her imago form, along with King Ghidorah and Baragon, which could be proof of this ability once more. But now, how does this ability work? So, how I believe this ability might work is it's a different type of immortality, since Batra doesn't seem to show it at all, but Mothra does. And now, in GMK, Mothra doesn't seem to have the same immortality that she normally does throughout the other Godzilla films, but there's actually no proof pointing towards that. So what this could be is, with using Batra for example, when he was frozen in ice, obviously his body came very close to death, which then he reversed his transformation back into his larval form. So later when he would wake up, he would actually be fully regenerated and ready to continue his reign of terror, which would be similar for Mothra, for she actually didn't die properly during the battle with humanity a long time ago, alongside with King Ghidorah and Baragon. Now, one more thing I'd like to point out about this does not work permanently for all situations, or else, sorry about that, I'm quite bad at this, and here's why I say that, because otherwise Batra would have come back to life again in the Heisei series. But of course we see that doesn't work, because he doesn't. But of course you see, he wouldn't. Now, why I think this is, with that reverse transformation, it's only when they come close to death, which would mean once they are properly dead, it will not work anymore. Thanks for watching towards the end of this video, and I hope I helped you understand something more about the Godzilla series. And like I said before, anything I say in this video, or any images I show, have no copyright intended. So long and goodbye.